everybody. I'm going to start my first video for you guys, okay? All right, so we're going to start on the floor today. Just a bunch of mobility exercises, some review, a lot of review. So we start warming up our hips, our legs are separated. We keep our hands up here and we're lifted tall through the spine. Hip mobility, we're just going to warm up the hips, taking the knees side to side. I'm going to kind of go quickly through it because of time on the video, but you should do a lot more than what I'm going to be doing. Yeah? Okay. And also go back over all the other videos we've done. The foot strengthening, the foot stretching, those ab ones that we've done a lot. It's hard to keep track. Okay, and so now that's your hip mobility. So now I'm going to warm up my abs and my back and give it a good stretch. So we go to our table, knees right underneath the hips, hands right underneath the shoulders. Spread the fingers wide. My head is in line with the spine, and I'm going to scoop my belly button in and round into the cat. And then my belly button's going to go to the floor for the cow. And I go again, scoop the abs in. You always want your head to be last and not first. The belly button is first, and then your head. Belly button is first, scooping, pulling, rounding the back, and then your head tucks in, and belly button first, head is last. I'll do one more, scoop, and arch. Okay, so I'm going to come back to table since we're right here. Next is our bird dog. This is a very good back strengthener, works our deep stabilizer muscles. And I'm going to extend my right leg straight back behind me and my left arm in front. And we want to reach through the fingers, reach through the toes. I have my abs scooped in. I'm pushing my hand down into the floor, and my head is staying in line with my spine. You hold it for a few seconds, and then you come back down and you do the other side, reaching, lifting, holding our bird dog. And we lower. I'm going to do both sides one more time. And I come down, other side. And I come down. I'm going to go ahead and stretch it back to round my back and relax. It feels good. And I'm going to come up. Again, do those a lot more than what I just did. Okay, so the next one is for our T-spine. That's that area right along the bra line that tends to round and be hunched over. So I dig my toes in. I'm going to sit my heels back a little, my hips on my heels. I'm going to do my right side. My left hand is pushing into the floor, right hand behind my ear, and I'm just going to rotate my ribs over. It feels good. Several times. 5, 6, 8, 10, however many. Just keep that spine in good shape. Stretch your back. I know we've all been on our phones or computers a lot, doing our classes, looking at videos, that kind of thing. So we want to make sure our T-spine, we don't get hunchy old lady backs. We want to have nice, long spines. All right, I'm going to go ahead and switch. Left hand behind my ear, and I rotate. Do lots of these. You should do these during the day, like in between your lessons on the computer. Take a break, do some stretches, and always be breathing. And I'm going to come back and I'm going to go ahead and stretch it back one more time and relax, because it feels good. Okay, so what else do I have on my notes? I had one more here, the T-spine stretch on the knees. And I think that's it for this video. I'm going to go ahead and stop it to start the next one. Okay? All right.